Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Walmart Beauty Box. Now, if you're not familiar, Walmart Beauty Box is a subscription full of products that you can find at the store of Walmart or walmart.com. You get sample size, deluxe sample size, and some full-size products inside. You get about 5 products each time, and it comes quarterly, so only 4 times a year. This is the winter box, so we are going to go ahead and see what they sent for winter. When you open the box, that's what it looks like inside. You get a card that shows all the products that you could have gotten. You're not going to get all the products that are on this card. And then this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead. Okay, now the first thing I see, it usually comes in every box, and that's these liquid IV. It's like an immune support hydration drink mix that you put just in a bottle of water. And we have tangerine this time. And a full box of those is a 6 count, and they're $9.98. The next thing I see is Cetaphil Healing Ointment. This is skin protectant for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. And 3 ounce is the full size, and it goes for $9.97. Let's see, does it say anything? It doesn't really say anything. It protects and relieves, free of mineral oil, lanolin, preservatives, and fragrance. It is also suitable for babies. The next thing is Thayer's Facial Toner, Witch Hazel. It's an aloe vera formula, and this one is cucumber. And let's see, 8.5 ounces is the full size, and that goes for $7.97. This is 3 ounces. So this is pH balanced. It's a gentle toner that is derived from time-honored formula developed by Thayer's to cleanse, tone, moisturize the skin. Formulated with cucumber and our unique proprietary blend of aloe vera and non-distilled witch hazel that is grown exclusively for Thayer's. There's actually quite a bit on that little label, but there you go. There is a seal on it. I'm not going to open it. I do have a toner going right now. Nice. And then we have completely bare, completely smooth, moisturizing, no bump shave gel. Now, the full size of this is 6 ounces. This is only 2, and the 6 ounce one goes for $12.79. Have amazingly smooth moves with our gentle no bump shave gel. Completely smooth not only gives you an incredibly close shave, but also helps ingrown hairs and bumps at bay. Is this open? Let's see what that smells like. All right, I've got some on my finger. It's very smooth feeling. It feels very moisturizing. And it just has a very light product smell. It does seem like there's a little bit of fragrance in there, but it's not bad. So there we go, a little shave gel action. And then we have a pillow. We have a satin pillow. This is a standard size satin pillow, and this goes for $9.94. These are really good. They help prevent wrinkles in your face as you're sleeping. It also helps protect your hairdo, so it doesn't knot up your hair. It just kind of slides over the pillow. So that's what these are good for. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And when I get to 500, we're going to have a really good giveaway. So the last thing in my box is by CoverGirl. This is Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. It is a 3-in-1. It's a primer, serum, and mascara. And you can see what the brush looks like. Now, this is a full-size product, and this goes for $9.97. So yeah, again, these are all things that you can find at Walmart, either in store or online. It gives you a chance to try new products that you didn't want to try before, or you didn't know they had. But yeah, I like this box. It's a cute little box. It gives you a couple of things from Walmart that you can try, find out if you like it or not. This would be a great starter box also for like teenagers that want to get into subscription boxes as well. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day. Happy New Year, by the way, and I will see you soon.